everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Waldia, and in today's video I want to show you guys this hair. It's crochet hair. You know how you braid your hair and you crochet the hair in? This is the type of hair. It's crochet hair, but instead of crocheting it into my hair, it's a wig. They made a wig out of the hair. Okay, this is the model glance oval part crochet wig in the style beach twist, and I got it in the color 1B. And if you haven't checked out my previous video, I did talk about switching it up and changing it up every once in a while. This is a perfect example. I'm gonna rock my hair and rock my weaves, and my wigs proudly say something. Okay, so if you want to see exactly what I did with the wig and how I got this style, keep on watching. So Model crocheted their famous glance braid beach twist onto a mesh crochet cap to make crochet life much easier and much more time efficient. You also have the option to either blend your own hair or use their glance braid beach twist, depending on the style that you want, to finish the top oval part. So I decided to use the beach twist style, the wig, and also the crochet pack for this up and down style. Okay, now you'll see this wig comes with a lot of combs attached to it. There are 2 combs in the back along with the adjustable straps, 2 combs on the sides, and also 2 combs at the top, as well as 1 comb in the middle of the top. And then I'm just going to attach the combs to my scalp. Just make sure not to hurt your scalp or irritate your scalp in this step. And I'm also going to undo my hair up in the front so that I can start moisturizing it with water to blend it with the hair. And I'm just going to go in with some clips, bobby pins I mean, just to make sure that the wig is secure. Now I'm just moisturizing my hair with some water, and I'm going to apply some Eco Styler gel and smooth my hair down to help blend it with the hair more, and also use a brush to smooth my hair even more and to help blend it. Next, I'm gonna gather my hair up in a ponytail, and this was the hardest part for me, guys. I don't know, yeah, this was kind of challenging today for some reason. So I just take some of the hair from the wig, and I'm just going to combine it with my own natural hair. All right, so get some hair from like the middle part of the wig and also the sides to cover and conceal the wig. No one needs to know where the wig starts and ends, okay? And then I'm gonna put this in a ponytail. This was the challenging part for me, putting it in a ponytail. And you'll see that I wasn't happy with the first ponytail that I did, so I left the rubber band in, and you'll see I went in and secured another rubber band so that it can be much tighter. Okay, so I'm just gonna tighten that, and then I'm like, no, we need another rubber band up in here. So I took another rubber band and secured the ponytail even better. And you'll see the second time around is much tighter than the first rubber band. And now I'm just taking off the first rubber band. Okay, so I'm gonna take my natural hair and I am going to twist it like such, and then wrap it around the ponytail bun. Don't worry, I'm gonna conceal my natural hair with the crochet hair from the other pack. Okay, now I'm just pinning it just to make sure that it doesn't budge. Now I'm going to take some twists from the other crochet pack hair, and I'm going to wrap that around my natural hair bun. All right, starting at the ends, I'm just taking that, tucking in the ends, and then wrapping it around the bun so that it does not get loose. This part was, yeah, it was not as challenging as actually securing the ponytail. So I promise you, after you secure the ponytail, everything else is much easier. All right, I'm going to continue wrapping this until I can't wrap it anymore. And then you're going to see that I am going to tuck the ends underneath the bun, but don't worry, I'm going to secure that with another pin soon. All right, now I'm just going in and just, you know, making sure everything is tight. At this point, I'm kind of relieved that the hardest part is done. Okay. Now taking a pin on each side of the bun, I'm just going to secure the bun. We don't want that to come apart, okay? Next, I'm going to take a comb and just start to tease the hair just to fluff it out a little bit more because I don't want it to be too flat. I'm going to separate the curls more and comb out some of those curls. Now I'm teasing the back part of the ponytail. I took some more beach twist hair and I'm just wrapping it around a bun, but this time I'm not gonna wrap it all the way around. I'm gonna wrap it like, you know, maybe once, and then I'm going to secure it to help the bun be a little bit thicker, and also the ponytail to be a little thicker. Doing the same thing again because I wanted the bun a little thicker, and I'm going to secure that with some pins. As you can see here, I'm just separating the curls some more and playing with it so that it blends better. Next, I'm going to take my edge control from Certified Bella Pomade and lay my edges. My favorite part of this hairstyle. Okay, then I'm going to take my headband and set my edges and also my hair so that it blends even more with the ponytail. All right, I am going to beat my face and I'll be right back. All right, it's about maybe 30 to 45 minutes later. My edges are set. And as you can see, it blended really, really well with this curly hair. I was very, very pleased. Just going in with a makeup brush just to make sure that you can't see any lines of demarcation since I wrapped the headband around my forehead. And y'all, I'm loving these curls. They're so beautiful. They really did a good job with this wig. The hair did get bigger by day like 3 and 4. So just keep that in mind. If you don't like big hair, just go in with like some water to tame it more. But I did experience some shedding by like day 3. But yeah, I want to thank Model for sending me this wig and the crochet hair. I am loving this. I think I'm going to be doing more styles like this, okay? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As usual, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on all of my social media, including Instagram and Snapchat. Until next time, bye.